Mabuhay! I really admit that before our on-the-job training started, half of me felt sad and disappointed. I was really hoping that I could take my OJT either in Boracay or Astoria. But sadly, I wasn't able to because of my father's consecutive hospitalization due to heart failure. I even thought that I wouldn't be able to take my OJT this year since I've heard that the only choices for host training were Cebu, Boracay, and Manila. However, God heard my prayer because during the orientation, the CAC was included on the list. I was so happy because we didn't have enough money to afford the expenses if the only choices were Cebu, Boracay, and Manila. I realized that wherever I may take my OJT, I should still do my best to learn and gain experiences that I can use in the future. And I am very thankful to the CAC Resort and Properties, especially to our assigned areas, the CAC Golf Club, Tiki Bar, and the CAC Aqua Sports. During our 2 months of OJT at the CAC, I've learned many valuable things. Being punctual, following rules, being honest, hardworking, respectful, and being responsible. Work with different kinds of people, learning how to communicate properly with coworkers, supervisor, and guests. Handling problems and pressure at work, and becoming more confident and learning how to carry myself professionally. I believe this experience will help for the future preparation in the future job. Gaining experience so I won't be shocked or unprepared once I start working after graduation. Thank you.